Hi, in this video session we'll talk about the calf muscles. That's the general term. The anatomical term are Gastrocnemius and Soleus. So there are two muscles that make up the calf. Together they're called triceps surae because there's three heads. After we do the anatomy, the gross anatomy, we'll get into the massage techniques. So it'll be floor, it'll be half kneel, and then it will be seated position. So with the gross anatomy of the calf muscle, so gastrocnemius, or short term for that is gastrocs, and soleus. So here in the book, here's a picture of gastrocnemius. They attach onto the bottom portion of the thigh bone, just above the knee joint, and travels down to connect with the Achilles tendon to the back of the heel. Now, underneath that muscle is soleus. It is longer, so it'll travel down further than the two heads of the gastroc. And also another tidbit is the heads of the gastrocs. On a person, they may seem thick, but in actual aspect, it is thin. It's the girth of the soleus that will make the heads of the gastrocs look bigger. In the next picture, we have it seen here with gastrocnemius again. So it's right in between the tendons of the hamstrings. And right here is soleus. So this is the gastroc heads, and this is soleus. So soleus attaches to the Achilles tendon further down. Here, they've taken away the gastroc heads to show you soleus. Now, another tidbit is with stretching. When you stretch the calf muscle, a lot of people stretch with the knee straight. We'll capture both muscles, especially the gastrocs, because it's a two-joint muscle. But you should also stretch with the knee bent. The reason for that is you capture more of the soleus than the gastrocs, because with the knee bent, the gastrocs are slightly relaxed, so it doesn't give a full stretch. So the focus will be on soleus. Now, the last picture shown here is at the front of the shin. You could still feel the soleus in red as well as the gastrocs. So you don't have to feel it only on the back side, you can also feel it on the front. And here's another picture with the knee bent. And so you could feel the gastrocs and press in further to feel the soleus muscle. And now what we're going to do is we're going to show that line of these muscles on Frank. So on Frank here, I'm just going to take out the leg, is both heads of the gastroc will attach around here on the lower part of the thigh bone, and will travel downwards, meet up with Achilles tendon, and attach to the heel. Soleus will attach on the back side of both of the shin bones. It is wider and longer than the gastrocs, and then it will attach the Achilles tendon to the same area. So these two muscles will help toe off during running, and so it's a powerful plantar flexion muscle. So it helps with the toe off, and gastrocs assist with knee flexion along with the hamstrings. Soleus is only a one-joint muscle, whereas gastrocs is a two-joint muscle. Now we'll move on to the massage techniques for this